Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Instagram Reels templates, creator feature guide step. To begin, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the home icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, swipe to the right or tap the plus icon at the top right. Select the Reel option from the available choices. Once you're in the Reels creation screen, look for the templates icon on the left side. Tap on the templates icon to explore the various options available. Browse through the template library to find one that suits your content style. When you find a template you like, tap on it to preview its structure. Review the clips and transitions included in the template. If you're satisfied, tap on the Use Template button to proceed. The template will open in the Reels editor and display placeholders for your clips. You can now upload your own videos or images by tapping on the placeholders. Select the media you want to use from your camera roll or record new clips. Once you've added your content, you can adjust the clips to fit the template. Make use of the editing features such as trimming, reordering, or adding effects. After customizing your reel, tap Next to proceed to the sharing screen. Here, you can write a caption and choose to share it on your feed or stories. Before sharing, review your reel one last time to ensure everything looks perfect. Finally, tap the share button to post your reel using the chosen template. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.